I don't want to park there because of obvious reasons.
Lady is making progress after her COVID diagnosis. CBS's Jerika Duncan. Well, First Lady Jill Biden will join her husband in Delaware tonight after testing negative for COVID twice. She had been isolating in South Carolina after experiencing mild symptoms last week. The White House says Mrs. Biden is double vaxxed and boosted. China is turning to an unlikely source to deal with severe drought. Rockets. The country is firing rockets filled with silver iodide to try to generate rain. This is CBS News.
Yeah, no, I'm just
If you
parking.
need to hire, you need Indeed. Their end-to-end hiring system helps you attract, interview, and hire candidates all in the same place.